Module 15.5, Day 2, Angle Bisectors of Triangles. Content Standard. Students will learn to construct, inscribe, and circumscribe circles of a triangle and prove properties of angles for inscribed quadrilateral. Language objective. Students will explain to a partner how to compare and contrast, inscribe, and circumscribe circles. Example 3. Given that JV and KV are angle bisector of triangle JKL, find each measure. So here, before we start doing A and B, label what we know. So we're given that these are angle bisectors, so that means that these two are congruent. So this is 19 degree, and this is an angle bisector, so that means that these two are also congruent, but we don't know what the degree is. Right? So then for example A, it's saying that find the distance from V to KL. Well, if we look at our drawing, so let me erase this for a minute. So if we look at our drawing, we're looking for the distance from V to KL, and we're given that this is an angle bisector, and we can draw a perpendicular line here, so let's form a right angle. So that means that these two are congruent. So then if this is 7.3, so then from V to KL is also 7.3. Right, now we're looking for the measurement for the angle VKL. So we're looking for VKL is this part here. Well, we know that the sum of a triangle is 180. So we know that this is 19 degrees. So let's look for this larger angle first. Right, so we said this is 19 plus another 19 plus 106. So then this gives 144 degrees. So then to solve for the larger angle, we do 180 minus 144. So this gives us 36 degrees. So this angle here is 36 degrees, but we're looking for the measurement of VKL, which is half of that, so 36 degrees divided by 2, so this gives us 18 degrees. Okay, let's go on to example 8 and 9. So this is your turn, right? So we're given that QX and RX are angle bisector of triangle PQR. Find each measurement. So before you're doing A and 9, let's label what we know. So we say that QX and RX are angle bisectors. So that means that these two angles are congruent, and these two are congruent. So this is also 12 degrees. So we're looking for the distance from X to PQ. So we can draw a perpendicular bisector there. So then that means that and that's an angle bisector, and we can draw another angle bisector there. So then this is an angle bisector. These two are congruent, and then that's an angle bisector. These two are congruent. So that means by transitive property, the distance from X to P is 19.2. Right? Okay, and then let's go on to our next one, number 9, to solve for PQX. So we're looking for this angle here, but first we need to solve for the larger one. Right? So we're saying that this is also 12 degrees, so we can take 180 minus 52 degrees minus 12 minus 12. Okay, so this gives us 106 degrees. So then this angle here is 106 degrees. So then the measurement for PQX is half of that. So this will be 53 degrees. Okay, so let's try these on your own. Use the figure for problem 5 to 9. Segment GJ and IJ are angle bisector of triangle GHI. Right, so we know that these are angle bisector. So for number 5, find the angle, find the measurement for the angle JGK. So then this is 23 degrees. And number 6, find the measurement for the angle JIK. So JIK is this angle here. So first, similarly to the previous example, we need to look for the bigger angle first. So then let's do the work here. So you take 180 minus 23 minus 23 minus 26. So that gives us 108, and then this is 108 divided by 2. So this gives us 54 degrees. Okay, and then for number 7, we're looking for KJI. So KJI is this angle here, and this is a right angle. This is also a right angle. So then we take 180 minus 90 degrees, and we know that this angle here is 54 degrees, so minus 54. So that gives us 36 degrees. Right, and then for number 8, so let me erase this part out. Okay, for number 8, we're looking for the distance from J to H, from GH. So then this is an angle bisector. We can draw a right angle here. So that means that these two measurements are congruent. So then this would be 64.3. And we're looking for the distance from J to IH. So similarly, this is an angle bisector. That means that these two segments are congruent. So then this is also 64.3. Right, so that's the end of 15.5 day 2. So your assignment is to work on number 8 to 11, number 14 and 15, and continue with your HRW. And for day 3, we will be working on our worksheet, and you need to bring in your construction 2 for day 3. Right, so for day 3, you will have a worksheet for homework, and you need to complete your HRW. Okay, and then you need to copy down 15.6 day 1 notes